So two of you wanted
Once-
to sign what documents?
Documents like you need to how to say it? It's like you want. I will going back to my country, and I'm not forced by my employer. It's by my own, and they will state in the documents that I will help you coming back again in Malta, so that you will not be blacklisted. That's it's like written in the document.
So the document basically said that the employer will, that you will go back to the Philippines of your own accord, and then once you're back in the Philippines, they're going to help you to come back.
Yes.
But that would that mean that you would have to apply for the visa all over again?
All over again.
Which would take 2 years or something.
Again, and I think and still we're asking about our salary, and they
So
told
you didn't want to sign that, right?
me, actually, to be honest, I don't want. From the day that I see that documents, I don't want it. I will fight for my rights because there's no coming back. I don't have any job more to return back in my country. I stand tall, and I spoke with the other guy. I will find, if you don't want, I will find solution with this one. So I spoke with him only because the three they want to sign.
Was that the 3 girls wanted to sign?
Yes.
The 3 girls wanted to sign, but the other guy didn't want to sign.
Yes, because they're afraid as well. Because we're new here, we cannot do nothing because we're new here. They know everything, blah blah blah. And suddenly we spoke with two attorneys. The first one, it's like no reaction. Second, yes, but you need to blah blah blah. There's a payment, blah blah blah. So again, we didn't get any wages, but still there's another payment to pay.
So now the lawyers are asking for money.
Yes.
How much money?
I don't know. They don't tell us. But the thing is that, so another option. So there's a good attorney. And you call it here a doctor. And that's what they call it, a doctor. No? In our country, doctor is a medical doctor.
Yeah.
And
they actually, there's a lot of arguments about that. It's not relevant to this conversation, but...
So I email this attorney that one of my friend, they told that you can contact her and then you can...
So you spoke to how many attorneys total? 3?
3, yes.
So the first one said nothing.
No response.
No response. Second said, sure, but I need some money.
Yes. Or else we can deduct some if you get your salary, something like that.
Okay, and like you can pay me later.
Yes.
And the third?
The third one is, the good thing is just come here and then we talk about it.